go on an adventure. We're going to be doing some different yoga poses. So join me. If you have a mat, awesome, a carpet or a comfortable area to participate, that would be wonderful. We're going to begin with our legs crossed together. Relaxing, bottom is on the ground. We're going to bring our hands together all the way where our heart is and say Namaste. We're going to begin by packing a picnic. When we pack our picnic, our feet are going to be facing the screen. We're going to put our arms way up high. It's time to find some goodies to pack in our picnic basket today. We're going to go all the way around and we're going to get our sandwich. And when we get our sandwich, we put it in the picnic basket. We're going to be thirsty today too. We're going to have a lot of activities. So reach up high, turn the other direction. I think what we're going to get is delicious water. Let's get our water bottles. Pop, 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 pop. We'll need extra. We're going to do a lot of movement. Let's put our arms up and let's close our picnic basket. Boop, boop. We closed our picnic basket. Wow, what is awaiting us outside through the blinds? A hot air balloon. Wow, this is going to be one fun adventure. Let's go find out. We're sitting in the hot air balloon now. Wow, this is going to be so fun. I wonder where we're going. Let's make sure our legs are crossed, and we have to make sure we're going to prepare to blow up the hot air balloon. Are we ready? Flying into the sky. We have a slight breeze. It's a beautiful day. Nice and sunny, just flying around the sky. Look, wow. I know where we're going. We're going to the beach. I see it from afar. Now that we are all the way up in the air, wow, we can see so many things. Let's stand up. And look out, I see the beach. I see the sand. I see the water. Looks like people are surfing, playing beach volleyball, rollerblading, biking. Oh, look at that. Someone's having a picnic. We packed our picnic basket too. Wow. Oh my goodness, we did it. Here we go. Let's find out what adventures await us at the beach. We're under the sea. This is unbelievable. All the stuff we're seeing. This is unbelievable stuff. Look at all the activity underneath the sea. I'm so glad you joined me today. This is great. But I see a shipwreck. Let's find out a little bit more. Wow, we saw the shipwreck. Let's get into our boat and discover a little bit more about this shipwreck. So we're going to get in our boat. We have our bottoms on the ground. We have one foot up, the other foot up, one arm up, the other arm up. And now we're in our boat, just traveling around the deep sea. But what do we discover? We discover a treasure chest. Let's crisscross our legs and see what happens in the treasure chest. But it's closed. What could possibly be in the treasure chest? I have no idea. Oh, Squish the Fish says, oh, we gotta go. We gotta go up top to find out where the key is. Oh, we put our arms around our knees, but I'm kind of getting a little scared now. What are we gonna do? So we rub our ears. We go all the way up, all the way down. It's so important that we stay brave while we're here by ourselves under the sea. Rub, rub. Oh, we have to go up. We're going to do it. We're going to do this together. We're going to get onto our knees. Our bottom is on our feet, and we're going to have to go all the way up to the surface. Ready? One more. We're almost there. Whoa, we see a shark. When we get into our shark, we're going to lay onto our tummies. Our feet are going to be out, and we're going to have our hands together. I wonder what the shark is going to do. Oh, my. So I say hello. Hello, shark. And the shark says, hello. What are you doing down here? And we say, we're just taking an adventure today. Wow. So we come up here, and we say goodbye to our shark friend, and then we see something else that's coming and swimming next to us. Wow, what is that? It's a mermaid. Let's bend our knees and put our legs alongside of us. Let's find out what they have to say. Your arms are up, turns to the side, and she says, well, hello there. Wow, we say hello back. We then take our legs and we spin them across to the other side. And we go all the way up, and then we twist. And she says, hello there. And we say, well, hello. Wow, that was so cool. We also met the mermaid. But while we did that, we found the key. And the key is a star key. So spread your legs and put your arms out wide. Wow, this is the key to the hidden treasure chest. So here we go. Let's unlock the treasure chest. And look, oh my, what came out of the treasure chest? It is Squish the Fish's son. Well, hello, Squish the Fish's son. How are you? Hey, you found me. Yay! This is unbelievable. What a great discovery we made. So it's very important that we just realize and recognize it's time to go home. We had such a long day. So let's prepare to get back in our boat. We're going to put one foot down, and we're going to use the other one, and we're going to row. Remember that row, row, row your boat song? Let's do it. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Oh, but their phone is ringing. Ring, 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 ring. Oh, can you put your foot next to your ear? Hello there. It's Mommy. Well, what does Mommy have to say? She was wondering when we were going to get home. We'll be home soon. So we put the other leg out, and we take our other leg, and we row. We're almost there. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Ring, ring, the phone is ringing again. Well, who is it? It's Daddy. What does Daddy have to say? Oh, he's wondering when we're going to be home. Very soon we're going to be home. Wow. And we get up, and it's time to walk. We're walking off the beach. We're going back in our hot air balloon. And at home, it's very important we tiptoe through the house. We don't wake up anyone. Wow, we just had an amazing adventure. We're going to come all the way back into our bed. We're going to make sure we lay down. Our feet are here. Our pup is going to lay with us. We're going to go all the way down to relax, and our puppy greets us as we lay down. We had such a busy day. All of the things that we did, your arms are going to be resting down. We're getting tired. We're just thinking about all these amazing adventures we had. We played soccer with the crabs. We met a shark. We talked to a mermaid. And at one point we were scared, but we were brave. We made sure we rubbed our ears. We made sure that we participated and went all the way up to find the key to the hidden treasure chest. And we found Squishy's son. We did it all together. Take a deep breath in and out. And now it's time to get out of bed. Our puppy is waking us up, saying it's morning time. So we get all the way up. And remember how we go crisscross. We thank our pup for waking us up. Thank you for waking us up. We put our hands together, close to our heart. Namaste. Thanks for joining, everyone. High five.